Hello, my name is Alvin Curry, and thank you for joining me today. We're going to talk about part two of I Choose My Economy. How do I know if I'm choosing my economy or am I choosing the economy of the United States or the economy of my state or the economy of some other business? Let's take a look at that. When you get your paycheck, all you have to do is look at your paycheck and see how much of your dollars go to taxes. The portion that goes to taxes is to take care of the U.S. economy, the state and local economy that you live in. The second portion that comes out of your check is things that may go to, let's say, medical or insurance purposes. That takes care of the economy of the insurance companies or the medical that you're using. And then if you take money out for retirement, the portion of your money you take out for retirement, that money goes to take care of your economy and your long-term retirement goal. What's left is whatever is left in your check, which is called the net amount. Of that net amount, then when you go spend that at the grocery store, you're taking care of the grocer's economy. When you go spend that at the gas station, you're taking care of the gas companies. When you go buy a car or a home or whatever you buy, if you go buy a new outfit, you're taking care of that economy. So every dollar that you make, let's look at it in terms of $1. $1 is 100%. If it was $1, it's still $1. $1,000, $1, $100. 10% of every dollar you make should go to take care of your economy at least. Because remember, every time you make a dollar, every dime of that dollar is going to build someone's economy. So ask yourself, if you don't build your economy, who is going to build that economy for you? So I'm asking you, do you choose your economy? Or in this case, do I choose my economy? Or do I choose everyone else's economy before I choose my own? So thank you for joining me today. If you'd like to know more about how to choose your economy, let's have a conversation. Go to trustalvincurry.com and you can reach out to me and learn more about me and reach out to me and get contact information, and we can have a conversation about how you choose your economy. Thank you.